And it's that time again. Here we are at the opening fixture of the Academy Division. Which way will this game go?
Well, let's see how the teams line up today.
And the home team have been announced.
It's 4-3-3. The wide fullbacks and forwards will be key to their attack today. It's time for this fixture to get underway. Tries the long pass. He misjudged the pass. He got that all wrong. Nice pass. He's racing ahead with the ball. He's speeding ahead. DLS tackles. He's got the ball and is in full sprint. Mbappe looks comfortable on the ball. And he fires wide into the side netting. No goal, but let's see how close it was. That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. The team are looking so relaxed on the ball. He's been penalised for that challenge. Well, let's take a look at that foul again.
Oh, he did really well there.
And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is a big... Oh, and it's in! They were tipped to win this match. No surprise then that they've scored the first goal.
Well, let's have a look at that one again.
Makes the pass. A strong tackle. He's taking the ball out wide. The referee calls play back for an offside. A misplaced pass. That's nicely played. Confident pass. Great ball. They've made the breakthrough. Here's a fantastic chance. What a finish. That goal, his second of the match. That's a goal he'll want to see again and again, and a short strike from this great player. Costa. Oh, that's a poor pass. The first half is over, 2-0 the scoreline. Let's get back underway here. One team have a 2-goal cushion. Will they protect their lead or try and kill off the game? Now DLS. Tackles are flying in at the moment. Alvarez with a shot.
They'll be delighted with that. What a goal. And he's found the back of the net. What a great goal.
Costa. He's charging down the wing. He's up to full speed now. The keeper reacts to the volley. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Mbappe looks comfortable on the ball. He's waiting to pull the trigger. Anticipated by the keeper. Oh, that pass could have been better. The manager is bringing two players on. An expert tackle. The defender could be in trouble here.
Lovely passing here.
He's in control. A careless pass there.
Mbappe!
He saves the long-range shot. A poor performance today, but maybe they can get on the score sheet. Marquez in possession. It's opened up. And the shot has gone wide. Uses his head. He misjudged the pass. Messi shoots. It didn't trouble the keeper. He got that all wrong. And the referee calls play back for offside. A misplaced pass. Ronaldo! Good goalkeeping. He needed to be alert. Oh, that's a poor pass. He tries something special. Great reflexes. He reacted to that long-distance shot. Well, that was an... He gets the Player of the Match award, fully deserved. He was unstoppable today.